Hi guys, sorry for being a bit late. We had a little bit of technical difficulties, so forgive us. Thanks again for joining us. Really appreciate each and every one of you. I have Mark here with me again, and thanks for those that sent me the get well wishes last time because I wasn't feeling well and I was swamped with work, so I was just beat. So, well, thanks again, guys, for joining in. Let's start with, I see somebody actually put a comment there. Mark, do you want to say anything before we start?
Like you said, we apologize for coming in late.
Yes.
Yeah. I will just say hi to everyone. I believe you are all doing well. Unfortunately, last week, like he said, he couldn't come, but you can see he's fit now. Strong. Those times we used to say fit like a fiddle.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the first person. Okay, we won't embarrass you. So Lionel wanted to say, when are we starting?
Yeah.
Okay, we greet you as well, Lionel. Thanks again for coming through. Sorry, as Mark said, sorry again for the late coming. Okay, sweet. Okay, I like Lionel. Okay, these are his translations. Okay, please don't embarrass me. Embarrass. Obigu anymore.
Yeah.
You'd say, please don't embarrass me. Be me paucho engu menimwase.
Exactly.
Again, me paucho, which is please, engu menimwase, which is don't embarrass me. Is there any other way we can put it that you can think of?
Let's keep this one for now in case I.
All right, cool. Then the next thing Lionel wanted to know was, don't do that again. Now, don't do that again in Q would be enye sabio.
Yeah.
Or you can say menye sabio, whichever one. So it can either be enye sabio or menye sabio. Just in case.
Yeah, don't do that again. And yes, sabio.
Okay.
It means that someone did something and you don't. Let me say you reprimanded the person and say, don't do that again.
Okay.
So and yes, sabio.
All right.
And yes, sabio. That particular thing. Yeah. So
all right.
Say, yeah.
All right, Lionel, thanks again. Thanks for tuning in again. So let's start with this week's comments that somebody left, right? So let's have the first one. Somebody called Random Laughs wanted to know, I don't feel better yet. Mihunyan told me. I don't know.
Yeah, there are so many ways.
Yeah, okay.
Because Mihunyan told me. Mihunyan told me. That means I'm not feeling, how do you call it? I don't feel better yet. Or me. Like also if someone says that me, meaning I'm not well. So if the person says me, like you said, it means that I'm not feeling well.
Okay.
I don't feel better yet. Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Sweet. Then Lionel also left something in
sorry,
my.
I was just saying that that means I'm still sick.
True.
You know, which is the other way around. You know,
Okay,
I'm still sick means I'm still
not well.
Yeah.
In short, yeah. Then Lionel previously left this in my comment section. So he wanted to know, it seems to me it is your intention or aim or mission to continue to provoke me. Okay, this one. How would you put this one?
Okay, let's try and break it down.
Yes.
It seems to me a yemise.
A yemise, which is seems to me, yes.
Yeah, it is your intention. Intention, there are so many ways you can put it. You can say buapayo. That means you intentionally, you know, that's buapayo. So a yemise ubuapayo.
Okay.
A yemise a ye ubuapayo say ubema mi buefu.
Okay, that's true.
You understand?
Yes.
Or you can say that a kamia yemise ude buapayo
mami buefu. Okay. Okay.
So buapayo is the intention. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Lionel, I hope that was helpful. Let's do one more from Lionel, then we go to the comment section, right? The next one was no problem, but I will not respond.
No problem.
I want to say
Enyasem is not a problem.
it's not, yeah, enyasem, but I will not respond.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Or mean you want.
Okay, I will not respond to you. I hope, Lionel, that was actually okay for you.
I mean, someone did something to you, said he was trying to apologize. No problem. But I will not respond. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, sometimes even I think I was watching something this morning. I think it had to do with these programs, celebrities and all those things. And I think, you know, mostly people troll those celebrities on Instagram and all those things. At times they will just put some stuff that will insult them, so to speak. You know. So they were actually trying to discuss it, and they were like, so far as you're a celebrity, people would come and insult you, or
your life.
would troll you or put some stuff there. So it's not everything that you need to respond to.
Okay, true.
You understand? So it's not everything that you ought to respond to. Sometimes it may hurt, but you just take it as if there's nothing that is happening, like no problem. And I will not respond to whatever
the person said.
The person wrote or said that side. Yeah.
All right, that's actually a very good response. Before we go on, let's quickly go to the comment section. We have Broxo. Okay, no, Umbra. Okay, sorry if I'm pronouncing that right or wrong. This year I will learn Chi and what?
Swahili, I guess.
Oh,
maybe you wanted to say Swahili.
Okay, you know what? No, you know what? Thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate you. Yes, with these lessons, please go check previous videos on this channel. Then you'll probably find things that you'd want to learn. I hope you're telling us that this year you learn Chi through this channel and Swahili. I'm not sure.
I would love to learn Swahili.
That's one of, you know, okay, I shouldn't be saying this, right? The other day I was trying to learn Japanese.
Wow.
Learn Japanese. I know what mom is, which is haha, which is quite good. I figured I was bored a bit. I'm like, let me try and learn some Japanese.
You know, in South Africa, whenever we see anyone from the Asia country, we say ni hao. We don't know whether it's a Chinese or whether it's a
we just assume, right?
Yeah, but it's good to learn other languages.
Yeah, it's good.
Because I think Swahili, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's the widely spoken language in Africa, if I'm not mistaken.
It probably is.
Yeah.
It's probably Southern Africa here.
Yeah. So,
let me see him again. He says, I'm from Brazil, but sweet. Ghana loves you too. Ghana loves you too. Thanks,
Como estás?
Ghana loves you too. Thanks for tuning in all the way from Brazil, man. Truly appreciate it.
But I think they speak Portuguese, right?
The Portuguese-speaking nation. Yes. Let me see. Lionel wanted to say, Buafu, is that provoking?
Yeah.
Well, in a sense, right? In a sense, because if you say Mibuafu, what I'm saying is I'm angry, right? So if somebody provokes you, I guess the intent behind that is to get you angry, right? So in a way, Buafu is basically saying provoke in a way. I'm not sure if I'm making sense.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Because in that sense, you can say, because if someone, like you rightly explained, if someone is provoking you, the person wants to get you angry. You know. So in this context, you can say Buefu and you'll be right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then he's like, how about Gigi? Like in Becca's song.
Jijime, meaning you are disturbing me.
Yes. Ujijime. Ujijime.
You are disturbing me.
Yes.
You know. Though you can, maybe he's trying to see how he can put it in the provocation thing.
Yeah.
But you know, disturbing and provocation is on a higher note, if I'm not mistaken. If you say someone is disturbing you, it's a little bit, you know, it's like you are disturbing me, but I think it's one or the other on a lighter note.
Yeah.
Than saying provoking.
Yeah. So Jijimisu, it's like somebody pestering. It's like, or Jijimisu, it's not really provoking. I guess a lot of it would lead to provoking at some stage, but Gigi is not necessarily provoking. Then L the giant, how about, oh, sorry guys, let me just put this here because now I'm reading without you guys knowing what I'm reading. How about, do you have this food with little or no sugar?
Food with little or no sugar.
Okay.
Because food,
I'm trying to,
I don't know.
how
Unless
about,
maybe this coffee, we will talk about sugar. You see.
I just want to find out, how about, do you have this food with little or no sugar? So the sentence that he needs us to translate is,
do you have this food with little or no sugar?
Yes. What's the best way?
You know, there are so many meanings you
Yeah.
read to that. Do you have this food? It's either you guys say, do you have this food? Maybe I'm eating the food, I'm asking, do you have this food with little or no sugar? They say, oh, anyway, abra, kind of say, a sichre kitwe bi.
And I say, a sichre kitwe bi, and I say sichre krenim, which is kitwe would be little, kra would be none. Or you can say, let me think, do you have this food with little or no sugar?
Or unless you are asking someone, you look, what food?
Yeah, because
about some particular food, but you are asking, do you have that food or this food that has no, so it depends on where you are coming from.
Yeah, because another way that I can structure that, which is, do you have this food with little or no sugar, would be, let's say Mark comes, like he said with the coffee, right? He comes here, then let's say I make soft porridge, right? Then I'm like, Mark, do you have this food with, do you have this food, or let's say porridge with little or no sugar, which I could say, Mark, a kokwe, which is, Mark, do you want a little sugar with it or none whatsoever? So cocoa is sugar. I mean, it's porridge. So it all depends on what you're trying to say there.
Because like or maybe there's a particular food like I was explaining. Do you have this food with little or no sugar? So this particular food, do you normally add sugar or no sugar to it?
Yes.
So.
And what would be the best way to say that in P actually?
Okay, so for instance, like what you said, you were asking me whether that particular food, do I like it with sugar or no sugar, or let's say coffee. So you will ask me, Mark, upe esichire ana umpe esichire,
which is, you want sugar or not? Literally.
Yes, literally, that's what it would be. Or if it is coffee, or porridge, like you said. So, Mark, porridge, upe esichire ana umpe esichire.
So,
ana onumno or udi. Yes. You understand? That means that is another
drink,
version.
D is eat,
which is also another version. Trying to ask the person whether that particular food he wants it with sugar or he doesn't want it with sugar. So then you will say, okay, Mark, porridge, or cocoa, upe esichire and umpe esichire.
100%.
I'm esichire ngum and I'm esichire. So it depends on where you are coming. I hope they understand what you are saying.
If not, please put it, then we'll elaborate more. I like today, everyone is throwing stuff. Who is this? Oh, says Bruxo.
Isn't it our guy from Brazil?
Yes, it is him. I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Dude, 100%, man. We appreciate you. Then Lupita Garduno. Okay, I hope I'm saying your name, your handle right. Or can he say, is this very sweet? Wait. Or can he say, is this very sweet? Do you want to say that thing is very sweet?
Oh, so that means, is he referring to the previous one? Oh, maybe, I don't know whether he's referring to the previous one, which has to do with the sugar.
Yeah,
thing. Even that one would do. If you ask me, is it sweet or not?
Is this very sweet?
But even that one.
That's the thing. So, guys, forgive us if you're not responding this in the way you want, right? But we're actually literally reading this. Ne? In my head, if it's about what L the giant said, right, then it's fine. But if you're literally asking, well, or can he say, is this very sweet? If you want to ask, is this very sweet? Right? If you want to ask, is this very sweet? You can say adiede, or you can add the pa there, adiede pa, which is this thing is very sweet.
Or adie frem.
Yeah, so adie frem, which is also very sweet as well, right? So it's either adie no do adie depa or adie frem, which is sweet as well, right? El the Giant said honey. I'm guessing we responded right. I'm guessing so. So we're just happy, guys. If you need anything or any clarifications, let us know. And what we'll do is we'll try and clarify everything.
Let's go back to the please don't embarrass me.
Please don't embarrass me. That was from
Lionel Benson.
Yes, Lionel.
You know, and I think you can also say something like I think we said Ngumenuasi, right?
Yeah.
Something came in my mind. Don't worry, we will come back.
Okay, Lionel, we'll come back. Yeah, we'll come back to you. Don't worry, we'll come back. Let's go back to. Okay, so some friends asked me, I think 4 or 5 things. So let's start. Boom. The first one was, please, how much is this? Which I think most of you know what please is, but if you don't, please is me pao cho. Me pao cho. How much is this? Would be the way or yay. Boy is saying, because you're asking the price of something. I'm guessing they were asking the price of something. So please, how much is this? Would be me pao cho way boy is saying, which is please, how much is this? Is there another way one can actually say?
How much is this? The boy is saying. Or yeah.
Okay, cool. Then.
Or you can even say you're saying.
Oh yeah,
how is it?
Saying. How much is that specific thing, right? Oh, the next thing that they asked me was, do you have change? So change is in sisa, right? So do you have change will be wuwon sisa, which is literally, do you have change? Wuwon sisa. Okay, 100%. Then the next one that they wanted to find out was, sorry, I don't have change. Sorry, in Chi, you can say kafra or kuse, but kuse is basically when you're injured. Or can you say kuse in a sentence like this?
No, do you say kafra?
You say kafra instead.
Or even here, even if you say sorry, somewhere it can also mean a polite way of saying please. I don't have change.
Yes, that's true. Can you use pacho here as
well? So you can still use the pacho.
So pacho
means
100%. So me pacho means or kafra means Then the other thing that they wanted to find out was, I do not have enough money. Can you reduce it for me? Okay. Sorry, guys. So I'm guessing the person was trying to buy something and they did not have enough, and they're asking the guy to reduce it. I'm guessing. Because sorry guys, just send me these texts. I haven't really gone through them.
Can you reduce it for me?
So okay, I do not have enough money. You can say Missy Kenson. Reduce the price. Well, you can you reduce the price for me? I mean, you can say yes. So Missy Kenson Wubetumia Tiswamami. Is there another way?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, cool.
You remember that word, that one that I said, don't embarrass me.
Okay.
I think I wanted to say that you understand? If you it's like trying to kind of someone being ashamed, you know. So I don't want you to embarrass me.
Oh yeah,
that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah. But that's okay. That's embarrassing.
But it's more like
shame,
being shameful.
Yes. Yeah, but it can be used as embarrassing as well. That's 100%. Let's go back, guys. Remember, if you have anything to ask, please send it through. Then we'll let you translate that for you live here. Let's see, where did we get? Reduce it for me. That was the last one. Now the other one was, how many of those can I get for this much? Okay, I'm guessing this was assuming I'm going to buy a pack of, I don't know, maybe somebody's selling pens. Then I want to know how many of those pens can I get for this much.
Okay. As in the amount you are having.
Yeah. So how many of those?
How many is Dude was saying?
Yes, Dude was saying, can I get with this much? Okay.
So you can say Dude was saying make to me enya. You know. Okay. Because by that time you'll be holding the money.
Yes.
You know, so when you say for this much, you would be showing, if it is money, you'll be showing the money to the person. So you will tell the person, so Dude was saying or you can say misika ni because you are maybe possibly having money. So misika enie.
Here's my money.
Or sika say na mewo.
This is how much I have, or this is how much money I have.
So Dude was saying na metumi enya.
Okay.
Or Dude was saying na metumi ato. You know.
I understand what you're saying. Okay, cool. So then the other one was from Fatih, right? So Fatih wanted to know, this was funny. I tried to keep it very light, right? She wanted to know how some I can't say swearing words, but words that are not basically swearing words, right? She asked me to say 2 or 3 of them. Yeah? So basically I picked 3 that are very lightweight. Okay. So it's not really that bad. So the first one is you are mad or you're crazy, because they're literally the same thing. So one can say wabodam. Literally wabodam. Fatih, I hope you're appreciating this. Yeah, it was a bit, I try not to say these things.
Yeah,
you know. So that's basically, are you crazy or not, right?
Or you can say
yes, meaning
are you mad?
Yes, are you literally mad? Then you are sick, right? In English, that doesn't sound like a swearing thing, but in Chi, if you say that to a person, you're actually swearing at them. Because I'm saying we are. It's like you're sick, but we're trying to say you're not all there. You know what I'm trying to say? So that comes out as an insult as well. Then the last one is you're stupid. Okay, you're stupid. What's the best way to say stupid? Because I want to say Jimmy.
But you know, yeah. Of course, when you say what, but Jimmy is more like fool.
Yes, I know.
Understand?
There's one I'm thinking of, but I don't want to say this one.
Because some people can also say, wait, Jimmy, or Wataba, or Tibo.
Yeah.
But I think if you say someone is stupid, you are trying to say that the person is not wise. Will I say the person is not wise?
I'm thinking of answer. Yeah. Okay, Onimi answer is better than what I was thinking of. Because what I was thinking of was bad. So I'm not sure if
you are not wise, of which if you turn it the other way, it means maybe you are stupid.
Yeah, but if somebody says, Oye Kwasia, what does that mean?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking of, right?
Yeah.
But it's hard for me to actually say these words, right? So Oye Kwasia
can also is like foolish, so it's still the same.
It's still the same. It's still the same. Let's see. Somebody sent a comment. Let's go find out who. It's by Elder Giant. I say Misikasa, but how do
it's almost finished? Yeah.
I say Misikasa, but how do I say my money is almost finished? Oh, Eyasa.
Yeah.
So Misika Eyasa. That is my money is almost finished. Misika Eyasa. Misika Eyasa. I think this is Jewel, right? Jewel, if that's you, say yes, please. I think this is Jewel. I hope that's Jewel. Yeah.
Yes, my money is almost finished. Yasa, which means when it's Yasa, it's getting finished, which means it's almost finished.
Yeah. All right. I hope that answered you. If it's not Jewel or Afari, sorry guys. I think this is Jewel. Okay, cool. Then the next one was Daniel wanted to know. Let me just show you guys. Daniel wanted to know, how do I say ekwanbe na be? Okay.
It's like
in English.
You must try and get it right. Maybe ekwanbe maybe the so it should be, but maybe you want to say ekwanbe sooner. Wubasu, or what is it? Wubasu, or I don't know
I
what
don't
you
know.
wanted to say.
Because the thing is, I never looked. Usually I'll translate it and put it the right way. So I was been in a hurry today. So I just took whatever everyone wanted. And so
Wubasu, or Wubasu, I don't know what.
what's the best way we can
That's
translate
what I'm
it?
trying to see what you wanted to say.
Because
Ekwambes, which way?
Which way?
Yeah.
Now Wubasu.
That's why I don't get it. Ekwambes and Wubasu. Or maybe you wanted to say that which way, how did you get here? Maybe something like that. So which way did you pass to get here? Maybe that's what they wanted to say.
Now, oh yeah, okay. If it's which way did you get here? That's what you're saying.
Oh, how did you get here?
How did you get here? Now Wubaha.
Yeah.
And I said,
one person how fast
Baha.
How did you get here?
Yeah.
Or which way did you get here?
Yeah.
Or yeah.
Yeah. Daniel, I hope, because we can't really make sense of what you wrote there. If you can, and if you're online at any point, please let us know, or just drop us in the comment section, then I'll probably respond properly for you. Then Daniel also wanted to know how one can say "and" in Chi. Oh, okay, cool. So he said that three. I already said two ways of saying "and."
Yeah. And
Yeah. Then he said his father also said added one, which is "enna," but we'll come down to that. So what I did was for Daniel, right? Ne is for connecting words or phrases.
Yeah,
right? So ne is also it's a conjunction. Perfect. Then you can also have na, which is connecting clauses and sentences, right? Then I have an example as well. So for an example, if you say yao ni ya, which is yao and ya, right? And you can say ama fremi na mebae, which is Amma called me and I came.
Mm-hmm.
Amma called me and I came. Then I think the one that his father said was Enna. You see this na is the same thing. Yeah, so you can say Enna mebae. It's the same thing. So you can say what? Amma freme Enna mebae. Then I came, literally speaking. Then okay, let's go comment section. Okay, cool. There's a song that Daniel wanted us to check out, so we'll probably take a look at that song if possible. Let's see. Afare. Oh, cool. Afare is here. Afare, yay! Thanks for coming through. Lionel wanted to know. Let's go. All this what I said. Some of the tree movies. So it helped me understand. Okay, all these curse words I said in some of the tree movies, so it helps me to understand the movies. All right. We are grateful and pleased that these are actually helping you out, right? We're actually grateful and pleased.
That means he's busy watching Kumawood movies.
Probably. There's one more thing that I wanted to come out. Okay, I want to switch, but hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Let me quickly do this. So guys, I'm going to switch. Give me a sec. I hope. Okay, it's a song by Ernest Opoku. Sorry, guys. Ernest Opoku and who?
Enriku's Papa. Is it Enriku's Papa? Papa featuring Ernest Opoku. Masidani.
It's Masidani, right? Yeah. It's that one, right?
I believe so.
Okay, cool. Let us do this.
If you work in a team,
all right, let's just
you should be using Monday.com. It's a platform to manage any team and any workflow.
Okay, I don't think this is a song though. We are trying to get that one. Okay, let us see. Okay, let us see. Jesus Christ. Okay, you know what? We thought we'd get the right song, but so far we are not getting the right song. But Daniel, I'll try one last time, right? If we get the right one, then we will. I think this was the right one. So basically, he's saying this is his Thanksgiving. This great thing that you have done for me, that's why I'm giving you thanks.
Exactly.
In short. Let's continue. Sing a song for you. A poor person like me. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice song too.
Yeah. So he was saying that he planned evil for me, you know, accidents for me and all those things, but it never came true.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, God didn't allow. That's what he said.
Okay.
You know,
All right. So basically, the life that he's living now, he's living for God.
yeah.
Mhm. So if I die for you, Lord. I think we get the gist of the music, right?
Yeah.
So
It's all about Thanksgiving.
yeah, it's all about Thanksgiving, like the other one. So Daniel, I hope we kind of explained everything, at least some of the stuff that you wanted. Sorry for the transition because I was trying to figure out how to share the other screen. Next one, Elder Giant. A question for you both. Are you guys in Kumasi, Accra? I stay in Kumasi. No. Sorry.
Kumasi every year. Wow.
No, we are not. We're in South Africa, actually. Yeah, we are not in Ghana, actually, at all. we are in South Africa. Yeah, so we are like out of the country.
Yeah.
We're just trying to spread the language. That's what we are trying to do.
So you in Kumasi or Accra? Yeah, but when we go to Ghana, I go to Kumasi.
You know.
Yeah.
But thanks
Kumasi.
for asking.
Ken City, to be precise. The city of Kenton Chrono. Very close to KNUST. Yeah.
Let's go next. How do you say my nephew got engaged yesterday? My nephew.
I was looking at it. I was like, nephew. How do you say nephew?
Nephew is Wafasi. Right?
That's true.
Yeah, Wafasi.
That's true.
Yes, so got engaged. Engaged. We don't have the word engaged, do we?
Because in this case, in Ghana, if you say someone got engaged, it means the person got married.
Yeah.
Because, for us, we have engagement. So in this case, you can say that, like you said, Mwafasi,
yes, technically speaking. Yes. Then you have Afare. Afare, thanks again. How would we say all the clothes fit me? All the clothes fit me. Oh, cool. That one is a bit easy. You'd say intadieni yana. Yeah, intadieni yana. Oh,
you say ekomi.
Ekomi. Yeah, I was going to say fatan, which is makes me look good. But intadieni yana komi. So all the clothes fit me. Right? Remember to send stuff through. What else? What else can we add? Let me go to these ones. See, I think I've answered everything that everyone wanted me to answer, actually.
I can see they are doing well. This is the second time we are translating a song, a video.
Yeah.
And they're all gospel songs. Wow.
Yeah, I know. Okay, Daniel, I can tell, loves gospel music.
That's good.
And the good thing is you're introducing us to these songs because I would have never known these artists ever.
So I know them.
You know them?
It's only Eriku's Papa, I believe he's a new artist. And mostly when you are coming out as a new artist, you try to get the old ones.
Okay, that's true.
So he's featuring Enesopoku. And Enesopoku has been in the system for so many years, more than 10 years, if I'm not mistaken. At least he played Odo. I remember the song Odo. There are so many songs, of Enesopoku. He's a worshipper. Based in Kumasi also. Because I was asking about whether we are in Kumasi. And I think for us, like you said, we are being exposed to those songs because we are not home. So we don't get to listen to them or get to hear the new releases.
No, that's true.
So at least we got to know that, okay, Recruit's Papa and he has a new song. Because the only song I can remember about him is the Odo and so many songs, but not these new ones. Even last time it was who?
Amu something, yeah. And that song was a nice song.
It was a very nice
It was
song.
a very, very nice song. So thanks again, Daniel. I can tell that you like those kind of music. Send them through. We'll check them out. And we'll probably do translations. And like I said, anyone that wants us to translate anything, I think we have 20 minutes left. Send them through. Then we'll translate them live as we're seated right here. And we'll try and do our very best.
You know why I'm laughing? You know, with that person who said he's been watching those Kumawood movies, those tree movies,
Now
you know, because it makes me remember there was once a video, remember, announcing who
that was funny.
3 years so.
3 years so. I think
you know, so if you can also get movies, you can just snapshot them or possibly record. I don't know how you do it.
That's true.
You send them to, I will get them.
Yeah, just send a link in the comment section. Then we'll probably look at those little snippets. Then we'll kind of translate those things as you put it, because that was a funny clip.
Oh my word!
That was we laughed.
I can't forget it. And I used to. I think I still. I hope I still have it on my phone.
But in that one, there was one that said Kwasia too, when the guy was in the cave and there was outside. That was funny. Yeah. And that little child who spoke Mfanti very well. For an American child, she really spoke it very well. Very well. Very, very well.
Very, very well.
No, she did a good thing there. Kafra. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. So Kafra is sorry. Oh, Kuse. So if somebody gets hurt, you can say Kuse or Kafra. That actually also means sorry as well. But depends on the context. Yeah, but generally Kafra would mean sorry, in short. Let's see. Just to elaborate on one of the previous posts. But yeah, you guys should also tell us how you guys are doing. How are things happening in your side of the world? For example, in Brazil, is it hot? Is it cold? How is the weather there?
And I think Brazil, with regards to the coronavirus, and the coronavirus, we say pandemic. I think that it's very high that side. So I hope you are keeping safe.
Yeah,
I think it's one of the countries that have higher infections.
Brazil. So guys, just keep yourself safe and tell us how you are. How is life? Because it's either we communicate in this platform, or I'll just put a video out and tell you what you asked me to do for you, right? And the other thing, for all those, thing is, I've been really, really busy. For all those, the private lessons, right? We said mid-Feb. That's what we said, right? So some of you have sent emails that you're interested, right? I need to respond. Chances are I'll respond during the course of the week, as in this coming week. Then what I'll do is I will actually tell you guys the way forward on what to do. Just that for now, like I was saying, it was just, we've been busy this week and the week before, and I wasn't feeling well, so life has been a bit busy. But during the course of this week, I'll send you guys an email. I'll respond to, I think there's 5 of you that are interested, and we'll take it from there. Then we'll decide on which platform and everything that comes along with it. So please don't lose heart, just that we've just been busy. Do send your stuff in, comments in. What can we say now? South Africa, it's been, well, not South Africa as a whole, where we're staying is actually, it's been raining.
It's been raining for the past 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's been raining almost every day.
Wow. Every day.
Yeah, it's literally
so even today it was raining, yesterday it was raining.
Yeah, and it's not winter, it's actually summer. Yeah, it's actually summer, so to speak. Then we have something called load shedding. Oh yeah, the reason why this was supposed to be at 6 p.m., right? The reason why I moved it forward was, we have something called load shedding. So basically, generators around the country, some of them are misbehaving. So what they do is there's a time where, you know what, they tell you that this region or this specific area will have lights off. So we have like lights off for 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours at most. So today's schedule was at 6. Then what happened is they told us that, you know what, at 6 to 8:30 in South African time, they'll switch off the lights. So hence I moved it to 5 p.m. But then later on, I think around 4:45, we're told that, you know what, they'll suspend it, so there won't be any outages. So hence I moved it forward. Hello. No, don't worry, man. No, Samuel, don't worry, man. If you have anything, we appreciate the fact that you're here. If you have anything, please send it through and we'll try and translate your comments for you. We have like 15 minutes. So if you guys have anything, just send it through, then we'll actually do the translations for you guys, right? Oh, cool. I love a parade. I really do. Is there a key word for moping? Example, I am mopping.
the floor.
Okay, cool. I am here. I'm saying moping. I am mopping the floor. Mopping. No, I've never heard that.
Mopping
can
is,
say
it's like cleaning.
You can say I am mopping the floor. May prepare form or may prepare form that the floor. Or may prepare form. But there is sweeping, which is pra. So we have sweeping, me pra, which is I'm sweeping. Mop.
Like you said.
Yeah, yeah.
So me prepare a form.
Mm.
That means I'm mopping the floor. Which
yes.
actually means that I'm cleaning the floor.
Mm.
Yeah. Because back home, mostly, you know, yes, people use mops, but in some places they just use let's say a cloth. Say
a wet
a wet
cloth.
cloth. They just use it to clean the floor.
So
it comes back to the same thing. I'm cleaning the floor or I'm mopping the floor. Yeah.
Okay. As I said, we have sweep, which is pra. So if you say pra, you're saying that you're actually sweeping the floor or whatever you're sweeping. So that one is fine. What other things don't you have?
I just wanted to, if that is if you allow me. Yes, we are all learning tree, so we just I don't know why it keeps coming in my mind. So we'll just learn one proverb maybe.
Oh, cool.
I think something came in mind that Sebiribi ankuka papa enje credit or enye credit. If nothing touches the palm branches, it will not rattle.
Okay, I get what you're trying to say.
So Sebiribi ankuka papa enye credit. People say NG credit. So if nothing goes to touch the
palm, it won't rattle.
It won't rattle.
So I guess in life, right, everyone needs how I'll translate it in a normal life will be in order for growth or something has to happen.
Yeah, so it means that sometimes people blame other people for their misfortunes or for let me put it this way. Let's say maybe your reaction towards me. Let me put it that way. That is the best way. Your reaction towards me is because of what I did to you. So I don't have to blame you, for your reaction. Maybe you gave me a bad reaction. Maybe I said something and you gave me a bad reaction, or the response that you gave me was very bad. So then someone will say that will be wondering why would you react that way to me?
Because there must be a reason.
So that means if there should be a reason. So someone sitting outside or looking from a neutral perspective or point of view, you say, no, Kwesi wouldn't do that. Or Kwesi wouldn't do that just for
the sake of doing it.
So if nothing touches the branch or nothing touches the palm branch, it will not rattle. Okay. So had it not been what I had done, you wouldn't have responded that way.
Okay. All right.
So sometimes, in as much as maybe the reaction may be wrong, you don't need to blame that person entirely.
First find out why.
Why would that person do that? Maybe it's because that one did something that actually
provoked or caused the other person. I think that's right. We can, whenever we do this, we can at least put out one proverb, our proverb.
Yeah.
Then at least we're spreading it as well, right?
So biribi ankokam papa. NG credit. Or sometimes they say enye credit. Okay. Credit. Rattle.
Yes.
Credit. Yeah.
Then what I'll do is, guys, after this thing goes, when I have it, I'll let you write the proverb down and its meaning so that, you know what, we keep on trying to spread this.
At least every time we come on live, we can give one.
Yeah, we give one. Right.
Because I know that there are a lot of people who, even in Ghana, there are a lot of people who speak Twi. Yes, they speak their language, but the proverbs. Because I was listening to someone and the person asked you, can you give us one proverb? And I could see that person was struggling. It was a youth. I noticed that, well, it's not during our time we used to learn proverbs. But nowadays,
it's scarce. It's scarce. Lionel wanted to know, what is the difference in pronunciation between saying I will not go there versus I have not
gone there, gone here.
Yeah. Sorry, gone there.
Not gone here.
Gone there. Okay, gone there.
Gone there.
Okay, good. So I will not go there versus I have not gone there. I will not go there will be min koho. Min koho. I will not go there. I have not gone there. Man koho. No.
If you say man koho, it means I didn't go there. So you say,
oh, I have not gone there.
Min koho.
Min koho. Yes. Min koho. So the first one is I will not go there. Min koho. Min koho. Then the second one is I have not gone there. Min koho. Min koho. Lionel, I hope that helped. I like this. I liked it when they come with verses because you can tell it's the pronunciation that's giving them problems, where they can't differentiate between how to pronounce.
Min ko.
Yeah, min ko. Yes. There was somebody else who sent a translation once about words that were similar. I can't even remember properly.
Yeah, I remember death and birth. You remember?
Oh, but that one was last week. There was one before that, awo and owo. That one I remember. There was somebody else who wanted something a while back. It's about minim and something.
Yeah, minim and minim.
Yeah,
I know, and
I don't know. Yeah, I think somebody sent that. And the other one that can also confuse would be I know and my face.
Yeah,
that can also actually be confusing, which is minim and menim. That can also be confusing as well. So those are something else that we're actually figuring out as well. What else can we think of? So now we have proverbs, right? We've mentioned the classes, so that's fine. Yeah, guys, do tell us about yourself. That'd be great. Or else we'll start talking about other stuff. I think the other day, let me quickly check. Well, we wanted to research this first before we actually let it out. I think we spoke about conjunctions. And today we spoke about and, how to actually join the two words, which is fine.
Which is a conjunction, that end.
That end, yeah, which is a conjunction as well. So I think we'll try and do series on conjunctions. Somebody asked me if I can do a series on conjunctions. That would be great for them. So I think next week when I do the video, I'll actually do topic on conjunctions and see how that one works out. Then it's Valentine's Day next week.
Yeah, Sunday. Corona and Valentine.
I don't know how that one's gonna turn out, but guys, just be safe. That's all I'm saying. Do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?
Not at the moment.
I know I'll be working the whole day.
Yeah, I'll be home, I guess. And luckily, my wife will not be working.
Oh, so that'd be nice. Blacker. Oh, that'd be nice. I'll be working the whole day.
Is she not? No, I think. Yeah, I think she will work because she's supposed to be off on Wednesday and Thursdays. I guess
she might be working.
Yeah, she might be working. But last week she was not working, so she was supposed not to be working next week. I don't know how it's gonna turn out.
Yeah, because in my case, I'm working literally on that Sunday. I think I'm working from 8 a.m. and I'm probably, if I'm not lucky, I have to go to work.
Wow.
Now the thing is, our deployments or what we need to do. We'll come back to that line now. So I think what we need to do at work happens around 8 p.m. But with our what do you call lockdown?
Yeah,
I might work till 11, which is a curfew, meaning I have to come back home on Monday morning.
Yeah,
that's the problem. So I won't feel Valentine's Day at all. Okay, cool. L the giant wants to know. This is good to know. Past and future. I get stuck here speaking in tree often. Okay, cool. Nice that we helped. Now, Lionel wanted to know, how do you say Happy Valentine's Day? I don't think
we have
the Valentine's Day. Not that I know of. We can say Ododa, but that's Love Day. Although that be work.
It can work because we don't have anything like Valentine's Day, as in the way Christmas we have Afishiapa, and we have, well, when we say Christmas, Bronya.
Okay.
But Valentine's Day, unless you just want to translate it literally, or Doda, like you said yourself, or Doda means love.
So it will be Love Day, but we do not have literally Valentine's Day in Shi. No, nobody has come up with that word yet. So it's free, available still. Oh wow, man. Then how's work on your end?
Work has been good. Yeah, but like I said 2 weeks ago, you always see dead people. That's the thing, because of the corona. So literally almost every day someone. But now it's getting better because one of the wards is now green. I remember 1D was previously red, and now it's green. It means that people are recovering.
Oh, cool. Well, that's good, man. That's good. That's very good. Okay, Lionel says, so ladies in Ghana should not expect anything. Well, not ladies in Ghana. We don't know. Probably they might.
As in...
Oh, as in there's no Valentine's. No, you know what? Lionel, trust me, they've adopted the Western culture, right? Yeah. They're expecting something. They're expecting
actually in Ghana, what we do now is that we've made it a chocolate day.
Oh.
You see? So on Valentine's Day, at least you must buy a chocolate for your loved one.
Oh, okay. Both ways or just for the woman?
Yeah, both ways.
Oh, that's good.
Because it's for the day.
Yeah, because we need pampering as well as men.
Yeah. So they just wanted to promote our chocolate, because you see,
so
cocoa is actually
from mostly that side.
Yeah, so
that is so nice.
Them trying to promote our chocolate and those cocoa and all those things. It's okay, it's a chocolate day because people used to mess up.
Oh yeah, no, that's nice, man. I like the fact that they're actually trying to promote their our local brand.
Yeah. So Valentine's Day, you ought to buy a chocolate for your loved one. You don't have a choice.
I'm impressed. No, that's a good initiative. It's really good because we tend to go to these other brands and actually do that. Okay, let me see. Elder Giant said, would it work to infer past by putting na in the sentence? Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Let me see.
Na.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you say, but even that, it's like that. It's still like the end you are talking about. Echinana. Oh, for example, if you say Echinana, meya, that means it's tomorrow that
I'll do it.
Yeah.
Nah. Yes.
That's but for tomorrow. For past.
For past, you see, na becomes like future. Ochinana maye.
That is for future. Let me see for past. I think there was a particular word we once.
Okay, if I want to say past, right? I did
for this one. Like you can say, na me pese me ye.
I wanted to.
You see, yeah, you put the na to make the wanted to be able to get it out. Na me pese.
I wanted to.
You see, but if you say me pese, that means I want to.
Yes.
So in this case, you have to bring the
na there.
From the beginning.
Yeah.
Na me pese. Na me pese. I wanted to.
So in this sentence, infer past by putting na in a sentence. You see, now this becomes a bit tricky. Would it work to infer past by putting na?
Yeah, so like what example was
in that sentence, that would work. Na me percent me we say I wanted to. So if I want to say I went to work yesterday.
That one you say me Juma.
You see, because I'm trying to see how past would work. A sentence, the proper past tense.
Because if you want to use work, like what you were saying, we are talking about work. You can say, na was me yet sadi, but you still have to bring.
You see, that's the thing. So
yesterday, so you say na me pese me yes sadi inra. I wanted to do this thing yesterday. Na me, you understand? So then the na comes.
Yeah.
You know, at the beginning of the sentence.
True. No, it's fine. I guess in some situations now would work. Would work because not all the time, because she's a bit tricky. Yeah, the exceptions. Because I was also thinking, if I say I got hurt yesterday.
That one you always say mi pra nra.
You see, mi pra nra, which is the hurt. If I say I'm hurt, my pra. But yesterday will be pra nra.
Prior.
You see, it becomes different.
Because normally, well, like what you said, normally it's that way. Mostly it's that double. The last two words is always double. Mostly, be pra, be di, you know, it's always that double for the past.
Yes.
You know, yeah. But this one is an exception.
Yes, 100%.
So, nah. That means I walk. The moment you hear nah, then you know the person is going to say something that was in the past.
100%. So I just wanted him to kind of get the gist of what we're trying to say, that it's not always nah, but
no, that one is an exception.
Yeah. But you're 100% right. Guys, if we can take one or two translations, then we call it a day. So if anyone wants to add anything, at least one or two before we sign out, that'd be great. Remember, it's live, so whatever you sent will translate, and hopefully we've been actually doing a great job. And remember, every 2 weeks we'll put in a proverb so that you guys will know a tree proverb. That'd be nice, just to help us all, right? Oh yeah. So just one more, then we're done. So whoever sends the last one, we're done. And you can always tell us what you guys are planning to do on Valentine's Day and what your plans are. Even for the year. I don't even know, Lionel, what do you do for a living? Afare, I don't even know. And I speak to them almost all the time. So Afare, Lionel, who else? Jewel, who else are my regular? Efia, Akosia is there as well. I think I need to try and write to them, find out more about them, because they've been supportive from day one. Literally, when I was less than 50 subscribers, they were there. I think what I'll do is, you know what, I'll need your address one day, I think during the course of the year, for all the people that have been there since I was 100 subscriber, all my frequent people, right? I will contact you guys individually to ask for your address. Then I'll send you guys something just to say thank you for all your support. You know, you guys have really pushed me through from the beginning to where I am, right? And as I say, please continue spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn tree come to the channel. Hopefully it's entertaining enough and it's beneficial enough for them to actually subscribe, right? And we're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I just want to say thanks to everyone. Sorry if I'm talking too much, right? My wife says I talk too much on this thing. So I just want to say thank you to everyone. On the 2nd of February last year was my first upload.
Wow.
So it's been a year and 4 days. What's today's date? Today's date is the 7th. So it's been a year, 5 days now. A year, 5 days now. And when I look at my subscriber count, it's like 2,212. What? 2,000 and counting. 2,222 as I stand here right now. And it's only been a year and 5 days. So guys, thank you so much for pushing and helping me out. I really appreciate each and every one of you. It wasn't easy. There were days I was sick. There were days I didn't feel like it. I would tell Mark, I'm like, this week's translation, I don't feel like it. I feel worn out. Then he'd be like, do it. My wife will coach me as well. Then I'll sit in front of back then it was a phone, right? And a friend of mine, actually, when I reached 1,000 subscriber, bought me a camera, Sony camera that I'm using right now, to say, you know what, they're actually proud of what I've achieved. So I'm using a camera now rather than my phone. So I just want to say thank you guys for your continued support. Lionel wanted to know. Wow, you're a healer.
Is it
Safo.
Oh wow.
That is a healer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. So basically you're a doctor.
He's a doctor, yeah.
Oh wow, nice. Oh wow. See, Lionel is good at this.
Yeah.
He's really good at this. Oh, nice to know that you're a doctor. Wow, nice. I'm really glad. Now I'm left with Afare to tell me what he does for a living.
Yeah.
And Daniel, if Daniel is still a student or he's working, that'd be great. So Lionel, thanks again for your continued support as well. I'll ask you privately for your email address, or better yet, let me just put my email address, then just...
They are the frontliners.
They're like, you know what?
Essential service providers.
100%. So Lionel, Afare, and the usual guys, please send me your contact details on my email. Then I'll contact you guys at some point just to say thank you. I'll send you guys something, right? Just to say, you know what, thanks for continued support. So that's my email address. Whenever you're ready, grab it. Then yeah. Well, I think guys, it's over an hour now. I think we've had a hectic day ourselves. So again, thanks for coming through. Thanks for watching us. Thanks for taking that hour of your lives to actually come watch us and support us. We really appreciate each and every one of you. So till next time, Mark, do you want to say anything?
No, I would just admonish them to keep safe.
Yeah.
And they should take good care of themselves till we meet 2 weeks from now.
Yeah. And for those that private lessons, this week, I promise you, there will be a mail that gets sent out to the 5 of you on how we're going to structure things, right? Then, you know what? We'll take it from there. Yay! Thank you for watching. So guys, with lots of love from us, till next week. Next week for my video, then 2 weeks time, live session. So cheers, guys.
Bye.
Bye.